they want to go into next season with a team with 13 wins and a completely untested second-year quarterback. So I think, quite frankly, unless they can somehow find something in the free agent market that I don't see right away, I think it's Kaepernick and then whatever they can draft.
Andrew Brandt, if the San Francisco 49ers do wind up with Alex Smith, bruised ego and all, who's sitting more pretty right now, the Broncos or the Niners?
Well, again, it depends what Peyton Manning you're getting. 4 neck surgeries may have compromised him, but my sense is they've seen enough, everyone's seen enough from the medical, from the throwing, that he can be Peyton Manning, and that would put them in a better position. With Alex Smith, yes, ruffled feathers, but, you know, as Ron Wolf used to tell me, chemistry in March is not really a big issue. Chemistry in December is. So this, too, will pass if that's the problem right now. It certainly will pass if they do get him signed.
And if the deal is